So Lemon hangs up in this windowsill all the time, and it's been driving Keith crazy that it's only like 6 inches wide. So we have this piece of like stair landing that didn't get used. So he's gonna make him a wider ledge so that he can lay in the sunshine in the window because he loves this window so much. Lemmy, we gotta go outside. Dad's making something for you. Come on. Come on, bud. Come on, Dad's got a surprise for you. Dad, we're ready to see our surprise. Look what Dad did. Look, Lemmy. Dad did that for you. What do you think? You can fit a bed up there, it's so big. What do you think, buddy? You love it? Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, you're welcome, buddy.
I got a good dad there, bud.